Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I am at CVS for another week of awesome deals. Last week, y'all, was complete fire. All right, last week was fire. I'm hoping this week is just as great. I'm gonna just run you guys through some must-do, like, sooner than later deals. Now, if you are new here, this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Chanel. Go ahead and subscribe. You will not regret it. I do CVS and I also do Walmart. I'm kind of thinking of doing Rite Aid or Walgreens, but I'm not really sure if I want to overwhelm myself with them. CVS is just easy to me. Walmart is super duper easy. Yeah, so definitely subscribe. You won't regret it. Also make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss on a video. So listen, this is gonna be a pretty quick video. I'm going to share with you guys 6 or 7 deals. These are going to be the must-do deals that you want to do sooner than later. And of course, we'll come back midweek for probably household. Now, I did notice with this week for the household deal, it's a tier. So it's either you spend 30, get back 10, or you spend 45 and get back 15. Tier meaning the 98% rule doesn't apply, and you have to spend that amount to earn the extra care bucks back. So I'm going to try to work out something probably for our midweek. And so without further ado, let's get in the store and let's
First deal that we're gonna be grabbing is on the Covergirl. I always say, y'all, when you first get in the store, the first deal you want to do is the one that's making you money, because those will always go the quickest. And so it's on the Covergirl. It is a part of a tier. It's either buy 2 get back 6 or buy 3 get back 9. My goal was to grab the little cheap ones down here at $4.99, but my store is completely, well, I actually found one. I did find one, and I'm gonna stack it with 2 of the double pack of pencils, which are $5.79. So we're grabbing 2 of the double packs at $5.79, 1 of the single at $4.99. The total comes to $16.57. And for that, we're going to be using this $3 CRT that everyone is getting. I'm also going to be using 3 of these coupons right here from our inserts today. This should bring our total down to paying $4.57 and getting back 9 in extra care bucks, making this a $4.43 moneymaker. All right, now if you can find 3 of these, your total will be $14.97 using the $3 CRT, 3 of the $3 off of 3 coupons. You'll end up paying $2.97 and getting back 9, making it a $6.03 moneymaker. But for me today, it's gonna be $4.43. I'll take it for what it's worth. Do I need these? No. Do I need the moneymaker? Yeah. Next deal I'm not gonna grab because they only have 1 pack. It's on the Gillette Simply Venus. It's on the disposable, the 9-pack. It's priced at $3.99. These are part of a promotion. It's buy 2 get back 5. The total is going to come to $7.98. And then for this, we have a $2 digital right there. Okay, so that'll bring the total down to you paying $5.98, and then you're going to get back 5, making it 98 cents for the 2, or only like 48 cents, 49 cents each, which is definitely not bad for a little 9-pack. So this next deal is on the swap. I wanted to grab the kids. I always try to grab stuff for the kids. Well, stuff for my kid. My little one, whenever I can find it, but the store's already out of the swap kits, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and grab the swap professionals down here. These are priced at $3 for $9, and they're also buy 3 get back 7, which is already a great deal, because you're getting back majority of what you're paying out. So even without a coupon, you guys, this is a definitely awesome deal. However, I do have a coupon. All right, so I have these 2 off of 2 coupons that I got from my Ip Fairy. I ordered these actually last week, not knowing if I would need them, but I just went ahead and ordered them. All right, so with that coupon, it'll bring the total down to $7 out of pocket, getting back to 7, making them absolutely free. Now, I wanted to try to see if I could use one of these. These expired on the 21st. If that works, then I'll end up paying 6, getting back 7, making this a $1 moneymaker. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. Okay, now these are also a part of the promotion. One of my coupon friends. I love everybody. I love everybody. I love all my cashiers. I love all of you guys that I meet in stores. But she just let me know that these are part of it. So I was like, well, wow, I'd rather get this one than get the shampoos and conditioners, but I still want to try to use this $1 coupon. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do is just grab 2 of the hairsprays and 1 of the shampoos. We're going to use a 2 off of 2 printable, try to use that $1 coupon that expires on the 21st. And then for that, we're going to end up paying 6 and then getting back 7. So hopefully if I can use this one, it'll be a dollar money maker. If not, it'll just be free, which is still awesome deal. And so yeah. All right, so I did not expect to find anything here anyways, because this promo's been going for like the last, what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So I don't know if I really expected to find anything, but this deal is on the Colgate. They are priced at 2 for $7.98, and we do have a digital, which is right there, 4 off of 2, which would then bring the total down to paying what, $3.98, getting back to 3, making it 98 cents for 2, or like 49 cents each. My plan was to use this $2 coupon right here. It has been glitching with the digital, which would then bring the total down to $1.98, getting back 3, making it $1.02 money maker, I want to say. So that's the plan when I can find it in stock. And so yeah, this next deal is on the Wick Essential Mist. I saw this deal when I was here last night finishing up some household deals. They were putting up the tags already, and so this one is priced at $10.99. We have a $5.50 digital right there that you can use. That's going to bring your total down to paying $5.49 out of pocket. But if you haven't done the $6 rebate on Ibotta for the Wick, it would make this a 51-cent money maker. And so yeah, he's bringing me some Persil. I'm telling y'all, it just pays to just bring good energy, like good vibes, like all the time. Like if you're cool and you're nice to your cashiers and stuff, it'll take you so far. So he's grabbing me some from the back, which I know he doesn't have to do. So for this deal, we're gonna grab 3 of these at $5.99. It's spend 15, get back 5. We're using 3 of these $2 coupons right here, which will bring the total down to paying $11.97 out of pocket. But you're gonna get back $5 in extra care bucks, making it $6.96 for all 3 bottles, or only $2.30 each. So we're gonna allow some of that money that we made for Covergirl to pay for this, which is what we really want. Okay guys, really quick, I'm gonna make this so quick. I've told y'all I love y'all. I do. I fucking love you guys. I do. Okay, so let me share this really quick. It's on the Febreze. All right, so for the Febreze, they are on sale for $3.94, and we have 2 digitals that are double attaching, meaning they are both attaching to the same, the same deal. All right, but it's not all of these. It's not all of these that are working. It was only like 2 that worked. All right, it was the Airfix, the linen, and the Sky one. It's the single can. That one works. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, so both of these are both attaching. So you're gonna say, what is that? $5.60 off of 2 of these. So what is that? Let's do the math. So you're gonna grab 2 of them at $3.94, which is $7.88 minus, what did I say it was? $5.60. So $2.28 divided by 2. So $1.14 each, which is, it's not bad. So Linen in the Sky works, and so does this lavender one, the light lavender one. That one works as well. I'm so sad. These, you guys, when they went to 90%, I ran in here so fast, and they was $3.99. I was like, what the hell? So yeah, the foolishness. I was hating on y'all that was getting these for 40 cents. I was hating. So here is what this transaction looks like. That goes to Suave at the very top, followed by the Febreze, the Persil, the Covergirl. All of the coupons that I used, they all scanned. I was able to use that $1 coupon on the Suave. And then the Febreze digitals both attached, $3.30 and $2.30. There goes a 3 off of 10 cosmetic. I think I originally said 4 off of 10, but it is 3 off of 10. There goes a $3 Covergirl, and then I wrote $10 in extra care bucks. Subtotal was $171, and then I got back $7, $5, and $9. So it ends up making this a net cost of 82 cents, which is definitely not bad because I got 3 bottles of Persil that normally cost $6 a bottle. And so I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do the household deal while I'm here. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and just do it while I'm here. It's spend 30, get back 10, our spend 45, get back. So I'm gonna try something, y'all, because I really prefer liquid over pods. And so I have a digital for one of those liquids. I'm gonna try to use 2 printables for the other 2, and then there's a Gain digital for $1. All right, but before all of our coupons, the total for this is $45.96. I'll be using 2 of these. All right, I have, well, this one expires on the 26th, but I have one that expires today as well. So I'll use 2 of those. I do also have a 4 off of purchase CRT as well with this deal, which should bring our total down to paying $31.96 out of pocket. But then we'll get back $15 in extra care bucks, so it'll be $16.96 for all 4 products, or $4.24 each. All right, so this is what this transaction looks like. I kind of went back and forth between getting 2 liquids and 1 pods for the Tide, but I just went ahead and just went with liquids. I feel like it's more bang for your buck, to be honest. But so I grabbed 3 of the liquids. I grabbed the Gain liquid, and then I used 2 printables for the Tide liquid. I used the digital for the Tide and the Gain. I had a $4 off purchase. And then I rolled $30 in extra care bucks, paid $196 subtotal, got back to $15, which nets this at $16.96, or $4.24 each, which is definitely not a bad deal. Here is my haul for you guys for today. Your girl had the biggest headache today. So we only worked with one situation, and even for this, I feel like I took forever in the store. And so everything worked out good though. Both Tide IPs, they did scan as you guys saw. The Suave situation was good. Everything worked out smooth. All right, so everything you see here retails $97.38. I had $43.60 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $53.78. And then we earned $36 in extra care bucks. Now, that nets everything you see here at $17.78, or $1.18 each, which is not bad considering these bottles of Tide are massive. So for $1.18, I'm sold. Definitely not done this week. And so I'll leave it there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.